SwayamPrabha. Digital India. Educated India.
The problem of diseases in tomato crops is a significant challenge. Since chemical pesticides are losing effectiveness, adopting a holistic approach can help control diseases while also protecting the environment. Experimenting with combinations of cultural, biological, and organic methods can improve long-term disease management in the tomato crop. An innovator from Manav Rachna University found the source of inspiration and started working on the solution.
So when we talk about inspiration, it was first of all my father. So when I was a kid, he used to tell me that along with the vegetables we are eating, we are also consuming the chemical pesticides. So we used to have our kitchen garden, but the questions always come into my mind that where are the solutions to this? Then I joined IRI, New Delhi Pusa, where farmers were regularly visiting us with the plant diseases problems in the tomato fields. They conveyed the message that there are 50 to 80% losses in tomato due to foliar pathogens like Alternaria blight, Phytophthora, then Septoria leaf blight, Cercospora leaf spot, and many others. So the solution we could not find, and we could not provide any alternatives to them, as they were using the chemical pesticides which are toxic, which are dithiocarbamates, carcinogenic, teratogenic, gives the problems of pest resistance and resurgence.
Working on the problem of diseases in tomato crops presents a valuable opportunity for research, innovation, and entrepreneurship.
So when I joined Manav Rachna, I got an opportunity to work in the lab, to do research, to work with the students, research scholars, and with the aim of providing the solution to the remedy for the foliar pathogens in tomato. We developed a biopesticide, 100% natural, low cost, with the ease of use, increasing plant growth, biomass and yield in tomato.
After systematically working on the solution and putting best of their knowledge along with hard work, the team came up with a viable and effective solution, Tomatolixir. Let us try to understand how it works and makes an impact.
Tomatolixir is a composition of BCA, that is biocontrol agent, Trichoderma hertzianum, then eucalyptus leaves and currant de-oil cake. So we talk about BCA, we develop in our lab, and the currant cake, it is providing the longevity to the Trichoderma hertzianum. In eucalyptus, we have N-amino carbonyl compound, which gives a synergistic effect with the Trichoderma, help in the plant growth, biomass increase and yield. When we talk about the impact of this solution, Tomatolixir, we have conducted field trials in the 4 agroclimatic zones of India with the different agricultural universities like BCKV Kalyani, SKUST Srinagar, IIRI New Delhi and UHS Bangalore. At all 4 locations, we could have the results of reduction in percent disease incidence in early blight 27% to 81%, then other foliar diseases 36% to 87%. There was an increase in yield also of 17% to 47%, and different agroclimatic zones, they have given us the result that cost benefit ratio is 1:10. Our product has the potential to be commercialized, and our go-to market strategy is B2B, B2C and B2G. With the support of KVKs, with the support of the farmer producer organizations and the self-help groups.
In stage 1, we are preparing media to grow Trichoderma species. So here I am weighing PDA, that is potato dextrose agar. Now shaking the media to dissolve the component I have added here. So now we will take it to autoclave for the sterilization purpose. This is autoclave. Now I am checking water level of autoclave to just confirm that this is autoclave is on optimum condition. Putting the media into autoclave for sterilization purpose.
After 45 minutes, the autoclave cycle is complete, and now we'll switch off the instrument. Now we will take out the media and take it to the culture room for cool it down up to room temperature. Now this is our culture room, and we'll take the media to laminar flow, which is pre-sterilized for 15 minutes under UV lights, and then after the cooling of media up to room temperature, we'll pour the plates.
We are turning on the burner in the laminar flow. Now we are surface sterilizing the surface of the laminar flow, sanitizing the hands before we start the process. Before pouring the PDA media into plates, we are adding antibacterial material into the PDA media. Shaking it to dissolve and proper mixing with flame, and now pouring the media. Pouring the media into plates, flaming the lid of plate and half close it, the media plates. Now we will keep the plates for 20 minutes for the proper solidification of the media. Then sterilize with ethanol. Cutting the disc from mother culture plate with the help of cork borer. Now placing the disc on the fresh PDA plates. Taking out the inoculated plates and put these plates in BOD for the further incubation.
After grinding, we are saved the coarse powder with the micron size 300 micron to make fine powder. This is the fine powder of Trichoderma harzianum. This is the first component of our product. These are the eucalyptus leaves, which is dried, and this is karanj de-oiled cake, which is dried and processed, and these are the fine powders of eucalyptus leaves and karanj cake. These are the all components of our product, and we are mixing our components to make tomato elixir, the solid form of our product. This is the tomato elixir. It is converted into foliar spray for the ease of application and to increase the shelf life of the product. Colony forming count is done to check the viability of the cells. CFU count is taken every 15 days to check shelf life and ensure the efficacy of the spore.
So here we have seen in the lab the production of the tomato elixir on small scale. For the large scale production, we have involved the self-help group of Hatin Block, Palwal, Haryana. And once the product is ready in the solid form and the liquid form, it is ready for the CIB registration and commercialization.
The project has been developed further and is at the advanced stages of implementation. It not only promises to contribute to the agri-tech sector, but also provides benefits to sustainable livelihoods.
So talking about the outcome of the project, the product tomato elixir is ready for the commercialization, and we will be going towards the CIB registration. We have already received the trademark of this tomato elixir. Secondly, as we are education based and the team includes the students, the faculty, so we are promoting the entrepreneurship culture among the student fraternity. Thirdly, we are promoting the sustainable livelihoods with the self-help groups because we are working with these women for the large scale production. So overall, I would like to say that the concept follows One Health, Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India.
Team Tomatolixir has not only focused on research, technology and product development. It has created opportunities to make a positive impact, helping to build a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system while nurturing livelihoods.